Welcome to the Cox Discover More video series. Today's topic, My WiFi. Your day, your life, your world. It pretty much revolves around Wi-Fi, especially at home. In fact, 75% of people say 1 week without Wi-Fi would leave them grumpier than 1 week without coffee. Wi-Fi is how you're streaming, shopping, gaming, banking, and connecting. With Cox, you get blazing fast Wi-Fi to power the devices you use every day. When you buy or rent an eligible Wi-Fi modem from Cox, you get access to My WiFi. My WiFi is an easy way to monitor and control your in-home Wi-Fi network. You can access My WiFi at cox.com/mywifi. You can also access My WiFi by logging into My Account at cox.com from your computer or on the go with the Cox Connect mobile app. To log into My Account, just sign in with your Cox user ID and password. Don't have one? Visit cox.com/register and get one today. Once you do, it opens up all kinds of possibilities. With My WiFi, you can make sure your family is getting the most out of your in-home Wi-Fi. You can view your connection status. You can also create and personalize your own network name and password. Manage your network security and see all the devices on your network. And view the Wi-Fi signal strength for each device. If a specific device indicates a weak Wi-Fi signal, My WiFi will let you know and provide a step-by-step guide so you can fix the issue. Being able to easily monitor and manage your home Wi-Fi network means you're in control. Start using My WiFi today. Just download the free Cox Connect mobile app from the iTunes App Store or Google Play and take control of your in-home Wi-Fi network. Watch the other videos in the Cox Discover More series and get the most out of your Cox services.